Realignment of political heavyweights ahead of the 2023 general election has raked in quite a harvest here in Bajimba, the administrative capital of Goma local government. The bumper harvest is at the instance of the All Progressives Congress's standard bearer for the Makudi Goma Federal Constituency in the last general election.
We were in the dark. Once we were blind. Yeah. Now we can see. We are your prodigal sons and daughters. Please accept us back under the umbrella of the People's Democratic Party, the truly democratic and progressive party in Nigeria.
Receiving the cross capitals in their numbers, leader of the People's Democratic Party, Governor Samuel Otomo, officially admitted them into the party.
Anybody who was in APC and is planning to remain there, he remains a disgrace to our country and to our state, especially here in Benue State. We will carry you along in all we are going to do, and we are sure by in 2023 election that it is going to be PDP all the way.
A political move the chief executive is confident will give them the advantage in the next general election.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.